Welcome to Florida Real Estate for international buyers and sellers. This guide offers expert insights into navigating the United States property market from abroad. Florida attracts global real estate interest with $42 billion in annual foreign sales. It leads the United States in international purchases, accounting for 20% of all foreign transactions. As the top destination, 58% of these buyers make all cash purchases, highlighting Florida's appeal and financial accessibility. Florida attracts international buyers, with Canadians leading the charge for Sunbelt lifestyles. Brazilians are increasingly investing in Miami and Orlando. Colombians favor South Florida, while Argentinians seek stability through United States real estate. These trends highlight Florida's global appeal for vacation homes, investments, and primary residences. Welcome to Chapter 1: Buying Property as a Foreign National. The United States encourages foreign investment in real estate. Non citizens can purchase property in Florida without special restrictions, though the process includes unique steps compared to domestic transactions. The buying process involves several key steps: pre qualify for financing, choose a knowledgeable realtor, conduct due diligence, search for properties, and make an offer. Typically, transactions in Florida close within 30-60 days. An experienced international real estate agent can greatly simplify each stage of this process. Foreigners can secure a mortgage in the United States, but with stricter requirements. Foreign national loans require a 30-40% down payment, proof of income from the home country, valid passport and visa, a United States bank account with reserves, and an individual taxpayer identification number. Many opt for all cash purchases for simplicity and speed. Foreign Investment in Real Property Tax Act mandates that buyers withhold 15% of the sales price when a foreign person sells United States real estate, remitting it to the Internal Revenue Service. This applies to all non-United States sellers. The withheld amount is a tax prepayment, with potential refunds if the actual tax is less. Exemptions exist for sales under $300,000 or with Internal Revenue Service certificates. Foreign investors face several tax considerations. Property tax rates are the same for all, but non-residents can't claim homestead exemptions. Rental income is taxable, with net income taxation often preferable. Estate tax applies to property values over $60,000 for non-residents, but structuring ownership through a foreign corporation or limited liability company can reduce exposure. Welcome to Chapter 2: Selling Florida Property as a Foreign Owner. We'll explore the unique regulatory and tax obligations non-residents face when selling United States real estate, ensuring a smooth closing and maximizing your sale proceeds. Foreign sellers must consider FIRPTA withholding and potential capital gains reporting. Engage a certified public accountant familiar with international tax treaties to minimize tax burdens. Begin tax planning 3 to 6 months before listing to secure an Internal Revenue Service withholding certificate if needed. Exploring ownership structures for foreign investors. Individual ownership offers simplicity but full estate tax exposure. A United States limited liability company provides liability protection and potential estate tax reduction. Foreign corporations can eliminate estate tax, but may trigger foreign investment in Real Property Tax Act withholding. Domestic corporations shield against estate tax, but face potential double taxation, ideal for long-term commercial holdings. Miami and South Florida attract Latin American and European buyers with luxury condos and waterfront estates. Orlando is ideal for vacation homes near theme parks, boasting a strong short-term rental market. Tampa Bay offers affordable luxury, appealing to Canadian, United Kingdom, and Latin American buyers. Naples and Southwest Florida are popular with Canadian and European retirees for upscale living. Overcome challenges by using a realtor are experienced with international clients. Lock in currency rates with a specialist. Remote closings can be done via power of attorney. Hire a United States-based CPA for international tax expertise and partner with a local property management company. Foreign buyers need a valid passport and visa for identification and bank transactions. An individual taxpayer identification number is essential for tax filings, obtained via Internal Revenue Service Form W-7. Proof of funds, such as bank statements, is necessary to demonstrate purchasing capability. Wire transfers must comply with anti money laundering regulations, ensuring funds are from a verifiable source. Choosing the right Florida realtor is crucial for international deals. Seek one with a certified international property specialist designation, experience in foreign financing and foreign investment in Real Property Tax Act, multilingual skills, and cultural familiarity. Ensure they have a reliable network of certified public accountants, attorneys, and title companies, and a proven track record in closing international transactions. As a Florida realtor specializing in international transactions, I assist foreign buyers with property searches, financing, individual taxpayer identification number support, and closing coordination. For sellers, I offer strategic pricing, international marketing, and foreign investment in Real Property Tax Act planning. I also provide ongoing support with property management referrals and tax advisor connections, ensuring a seamless real estate experience. Ready to make your move in Florida? With the right guidance, you can enjoy lifestyle, legal security, and investment value. Schedule a free consultation, send your questions, or start your property search today. Let's connect and make your Florida real estate goals a reality.